Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 8. Congratulations, we are officially halfway through the semester. So I know summer semester is flying by. Congratulations on making it this far. Um, so this module, again, we have no homework packet. We're really focusing on the field specific project. Under the readings, because we're halfway, there's some articles with cultural information, but then there's also like a little review of some of the things that people usually get wrong over the first 7 modules. And same with the watch, there's a video of things that people usually get wrong over the first 7 modules. So kind of try to review those because the quiz this week it's a little bit longer and it is kind of a review of everything that we've done so far. So make sure if there's any topic that you really didn't understand, let me know, and make sure you go over it before you take this quiz. Okay, so we do have a discussion board, so make sure you read the articles that are posted there and make sure that you have some information from your field specific project, because for the discussion board you need to write about the articles and about something from your field specific project. The quiz, like I said, it's a little bit longer. It has information from the first 7 modules. And then the big thing that's due is the field specific project. So like I've talked about the last couple modules, again, this is a project that you're doing in English and you're interviewing an English speaker who works in a medical office or medical setting, and you're asking them, what do you do when a patient comes in that doesn't speak English? And you want to summarize their strategies for dealing with non-English speaking patients. And then you need your vocab list at the end of words that are relevant for their field translated with English and Spanish. Okay, let me know if you have any questions y nos vemos pronto.